Hi guys. What is up? Long time no talk. I know. Hold on. Let me lower this. Yeah. Long time no talk. I'm just, that's not a text. Just take care of this cute little baby. This cute little baby. Yeah. Is that sanitary? I don't know. Got that right? Yeah, you tell him. You tell him, girl. Yeah. So, I'm just waiting for work. Whoa. Thanks for dropping my phone. It's been dropped enough. So yeah, this is a video, okay? It's gonna end real quick, cause it is, okay? Yeah, my hair is a mess. That's how we want it to be.